$100 per day in affiliate marketing coming right up. Hey, what's going, my friends? Builder Brady here, and welcome to my channel. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make $100 by doing affiliate marketing. And before we get on to the video, on this channel, I'll show you how to make money online, and I'll show you how to create passive income online through affiliate marketing. And if you're interested in those type of videos, I invite you to click on the subscribe button down below and click on that notification bell so that you'll be notified of the latest videos that I upload. And also, make sure to check out my #1 recommendation down in the description down below. Right, so how you can make $100 per day doing affiliate marketing, and that is by doing launch jacking. So basically, there are hundreds or dozens of products that are being launched every single day in websites like Warrior Plus, right? Let's see here, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank. So these are my top 3 affiliate marketing marketplace where you can see affiliate products. So let me log in. I'm gonna log in JVZoo and on ClickBank. So when you go here, right, when you go on Warrior Plus, so you can see here that they have like launch calendar, where basically we'll see product creators themselves are launching products. So today is May 19, so there's no product launch today, but yesterday they have product launch here on 4 products yesterday. So basically, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna apply as an affiliate for these products, and then you promote them, right? So why is so valuable? It's because usually when they release this new product, it's really cheap. Like those products that have right now, you're paying for those products, they're paying for a monthly subscription, like the one I'm using, the Facebook Audience Toolkit. When they launch it, right? When they launch it, I pay $47 lifetime access. And right now, it's $37 a month. So people will get tons of value on the launch period, right? Because it's really cheap, and they gave out tons of bonuses for you as well. So how you can do that? How you can launch jacking? So that's the term, guys. So that's how you make $100 per day with affiliate marketing doing launch jacking. Basically, just promoting again these products here. So how are you gonna do that? You go here on this website. It's called muncheye.com, right? Muncheye.com. So here you will get list of product launches where you can apply as an affiliate. And like this one, let's say on May 22, right? This one, you go to the JV page. Right, so this is like their sales page, and let's see here. So get your links, right? So you're gonna apply there when you get your link. So I'm already an affiliate because I applied for their link. So you ask for permission, right? And here's the key, guys. When you ask for links, right, for your affiliate link, you have to write a request for it, right? Because you're gonna get an option where you will get they will ask you for a request, right? Don't leave it blank. You have to tell them, hey, I'm interested in promoting your products, and I have a YouTube channel or an email list that I promote it to. When you do that, right, that will tell them, because this is what happens. Before they never do that. This is what happened, guys. Some people ask for the affiliate link, right? And when they got the affiliate link, they use their own affiliate link to buy their own product, right? Does it make sense? They use their own affiliate link where they purchase the product. So it's like having a discounted price. So they're trying to avoid that. So, and that's really, that's not a good practice. But if you are really gonna promote them, you have to tell them, hey, I'm gonna promote your product. This is my YouTube channel or an email list, and you can also give me delayed commissions, something like that, right? So to tell them that you are honestly gonna promote their product during launch, when they're gonna launch it, right? So that's it, guys. So basically that's it. And how you're gonna do that is you're gonna create a YouTube channel just for review products. So that's what I'm gonna do, or I might integrate that on my YouTube channel here, because we are actually teaching affiliate marketing. So I'm gonna promote other products as well. So but the easiest way for you to do that is to model other affiliate marketers, and there are actually 3 or 4 affiliate marketers out there that I really like. And one is Jono Armstrong, so you can check his channel here. Jono Armstrong is a master in, doing this, right? He's a master in doing launch jacking, and I did learn from him as well. So you're gonna see here on his video that he has this, right? These are launch jacking. He is actually promoting these products during their launch period, right? That's Jono Armstrong. Another one is with Chris, affiliate tuber. So this is Chris, affiliate tube, right? So he also do launch jacking as well, so you can check out his channel. Modeling is the easiest way, guys. So you already have a guide just to model them. Another one is by Tim Verdeau, right? You can check out his channel. You'll see here the videos as well, and it's really good. I really like his channel because it's really clean, and the way he uses his video are really awesome, like really professional. You see here that I'm doing the same technique as him, but I guess he has a better equipment than me. You can see here that he's doing the same thing. It's called launch jacking again, guys. So that's how it is. You're gonna have you're gonna put your affiliate link on your description. So you make a video, you make a record on it, and that's how you're gonna make it, guys. And another one is Liberty to Travel. Right, so this is another YouTube channel that you can check out. Yeah, this is from Falco. So yeah, he's really good. This is really good. This is how he makes. Actually, these guys are actually already making like 5 to 6 figures a month just by doing this, right? Just by doing this. So this is how easy it is. So this is how you're gonna promote affiliate products with Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and ClickBank, is by using launch jacking, because the price is gonna be really cheap, and you're gonna have tons of bonuses, and they will those product creators, they will actually provide you with all the sales page, all the email templates you're gonna send to your list, to your buyers list, right, to your audience. So this is it, guys. So I'm gonna do this. This is gonna be maybe the future of this channel, or I might create another YouTube channel where I will just do this, just do product reviews or recommending products that will really help, because I have actually bought products by this one, and it's really valuable because I am actually using some of them, the product. I mean, all of those products, of course. I'm actually using them in my business, and most of them are really good. And it's really valuable in the marketplace, especially if you're doing affiliate marketing or online marketing. So this will really help, guys. So this is how you're gonna do it, by doing launch jacking. You go to this website again, muncheye.com. I'll be putting the link on the description, as well as the links to your JVZoo, Warrior Plus, and ClickBank. And this is how you're gonna make money by doing launch jacking. That's gonna be $100 a day. You can definitely do that, but just modeling them. The YouTubers here that does this, just do it, and then you can definitely make money on this one. All right, guys. So I really hope you get value in this video. If you do, give this video a thumbs up. If not, give this video a thumbs down as well. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section down below, because I always help. I always answer comment. I also reply on the comment, right? And also make sure to check again my #1 recommendation on the description down below. Right, guys? So Miller Brady here, wishing you more health and more wealth. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.